and girls, how are you? Okay, let's start our lesson, Wonders of the Sea, and let's revise some vocabulary. Do you remember what bags are these? What bags are these? They are plastic, yes. And this bag is paper bag, yes. Is it biodegradable or not? Yes, it is biodegradable. Let's revise vocabulary. Do you remember what can pollute the sea? What can pollute the sea? Do you remember? We said already plastic bags or plastic bottles. Rubbish can pollute the sea. What else? An oil spill. Let's revise some words. What bag is it? It's a paper bag. Yes. It is biodegradable. What bags are these? We said already. They are plastic bags. Plastic bags. Are they biodegradable or not? No, they are not biodegradable. Is the sea clean? What is in the sea? An oil spill. An oil spill. What is in the sea? Rubbish, yes, rubbish. When people fishing too much, it is, you say, it is overfishing, yes, overfishing. Now let's check your homework. Okay, tick all the objects that are biodegradable. Okay, what can we have here? Maybe a piece of bread. It is biodegradable. Bananas, biodegradable. This is piece of cake, biodegradable. Flowers are biodegradable. What is this? Paper. It is biodegradable. Check your answers. Next, read and match. Number 1, B. Is this bottle of water biodegradable? No, it isn't. It's plastic. 2, A. People say that there are no fish in the sea. Is that true? Yes, it is. There was a lot of overfishing here a few years ago. 3, D. Why are our seas and rivers so dirty? People throw rubbish into the rivers. Then the rubbish travels to the sea. 4, C. This land is black, not yellow. The water is black too. What has happened? There was a big oil spill last year. We are still cleaning it up. Check your answers. 1B, 2A, 3D, 4C. Next. Okay, today we will start learning how to talk about the future. Let's see here. We have here past, present and future. Past, a long time ago or yesterday. Present, now. And future, tomorrow. What will be tomorrow? What will happen in the future? Okay, when we talk about what's going to happen in the future, we use the word will. go to the library, or I will play football. Write your example. Write in your notebooks. What will you do after school today? And write an answer. I will, and your example, I will go to the library. I will go to visit my grandparents. I will play football. I will play volleyball. Your example. Write in your notebooks. Next, open your book at page 97. Grammar box. 97. Listen and repeat.
Track B8. Grammar.
What will happen in the future?
Repeat. What will happen in the future?
Sea animals and plants will disappear.
Sea animals and plants will disappear. Next, repeating.
We won't have as much food as we need.
We won't have as much food as we need. Next. And now, let's write in your notebook. What can we see here? I will go. Or we can write short form. I'll. I will, the same, I'll. And the same with will not. Here. Won't. Here is long and here is short. Will not, the same, won't. I will. I'll. Will not, won't, the same. This write in your notebooks. I will, I'll, will not, won't. Write this in your notebook. Next, let's watch a video.
Here's an important message from the bottom of the sea.
Pollution here is getting worse every day. If people keep throwing their rubbish into the sea, more sea creatures will disappear. We must stop throwing rubbish into the sea.
If people keep overfishing, there won't be many sea creatures left. We must stop overfishing and help save the sea.
Another big ship has spilled oil into the sea. It's all over the beach and the animals. If we aren't careful, there will be more accidents.
People must be more careful. They must look after the sea, or there won't be very much left to protect. That's all for now.
Such news. Next, Activity 12, page 97. Activity 12, page 97. Read and answer. Page 97. Activity 12. Number 1. Oil pollution affects the sunlight zone of the sea. What if there is a big oil spill? You think and write. What if there is a big oil spill? You should use will or won't. Will or won't to answer the question. Oil pollution affects the sunlight zone. What animals live in the sunlight zone? Do you remember? Sharks, turtles, whales, dolphins live in the sunlight zone. So what will happen with animals? Fish will become ill, or sea creatures will become ill. 2. Pollution affects oxygen levels in the midnight zone and creates areas areas with no oxygen? What if there are animals in this area? What if there are animals in these areas? I will help you. Some sea animals will disappear. They will disappear. 3. Plastic bottles and plastic bags cause a lot of pollution. Because of plastic bottles and plastic bags, we have a lot of pollution. What will you do? What will you do? For example, I won't use or buy plastic bottles and plastic bags. I will use biodegradable instead. Now, write answers to 1, 2, 3 questions. Here is some help for you. So, fish will become ill, or sea creatures will become ill. 2. Some sea animals will disappear in midnight zone. In midnight zone. If there is no oxygen, some sea animals will disappear. And 3. What will you do if there are a lot of pollution with plastic bags and bottles? What will you do? I won't use or buy plastic bottles and plastic bags. I will use biodegradable instead. Write the answers to activity 12. Finishing this activity, and next activity with cards. Prepare your scissors. Activity 13. Cut out 7 cards. 7 cards. Here we have more than 7. You choose 7. 7 cards. Choose 7 cards. At page 169. Page 169. 169. Here cards. You should cut only these cards. 7. 7. Choose 7. For example, I will choose dolphin, fish, rubbish, squid, sea sponges, and 2 more, shark and an octopus. I have chosen 7 cards. Now you choose 7 cards and cut them. And cut. After you cut out 7 cards, take a glue, and glue them to bingo card. Here it is, to this card. Take 7 cards, and stick them here, Glue them here. 7 cards that you choose. Glue 7 cards to this bingo card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here, choose 7, stick them here. Can you move? Yes, you can stick like this. For example. I have 4, but you put all cards here, all cards. Now, after you cut cards, 7 cards, you stick them to bingo card, Now, you will listen and cross out the picture when you hear it. For example, let's start.
Track B9, Activity 13. Play a game. Cut out 7 pictures and the bingo card on page 169. Listen and play. Discuss.
Turtles live in the sunlit zone.
Turtles live in a sunlight zone. So we heard turtles. Cross it, cross it. Turtles, cross it. We hear turtle, cross it. Next.
Food is biodegradable.
Food is biodegradable. One more. Here also cross. Biodegradable. Cross. Biodegradable. I will cross with you. Cross, biodegradable. Next.
Don't throw rubbish in the sea.
Don't throw rubbish into the sea. Now, here we have picture of rubbish. If you glue it here, cross it. If no, then no. Cross it. Rubbish. Next.
We must protect the sea. Whales are very big.
We must protect the sea. We must protect the sea. So again, cross must. We here must, so we cross it. And about whales.
We must protect the sea.
We must protect.
Whales are very big.
Whales are very big. So cross whales too. Next.
They live in the sunlit zone. The octopus has got 8 arms.
Octopus. Do you have octopus here? If yes, cross.
Sea sponges are very pretty. Look, this one is pink.
Sea sponges. Sea sponges. Sea sponges. If you have this card here, cross it. Sea sponges card. If you have it here, cross it.
There are many fish in the sunlit zone.
Many fish in a sunlight zone. Many fish. Here is, for example, many fish. If you have this card here, cross it, cross it. Next.
Squid live in the twilight zone.
Squid. Squid. Here is card of squid. If you have this card of squid here, cross it. Squid. Next.
Don't throw plastic bottles into the sea.
Plastic bottles. So, if you have a picture of plastic bottle here, cross it, cross it.
Sharks live in the sunlit zone.
Sharks. If you have picture of card of shark here, cross it, cross it. Next.
What will happen to the sea in the future? What will we do to protect the sea?
what will happen? What will happen? So, cross will. Cross will. Okay, for now that's all with this activity. If you cross all the boxes, you win the game. You win the game. If you crossed all the boxes. Now your homework. Read and write. Complete the questions. Use the words in the brackets. Then answer the questions. Number 1. Will people live under the sea in the future? Yes, they will. There will be underwater cities. Now your ideas. Will children, you will write the question and answer to this. Here the same question. Will be, and use these words. The next, read, circle the correct words. For example, James, this is my first beach, clean up. What do we have to do? Here you should cross must or can't. Can't, don't. Will or won't. Will, won't, don't, can't, or will or must. Read and circle the correct word. For now that's all. Thank you so much. See you soon. Take care.